So here got an '09 Sonata 2.4. So we'll be changing the map sensor. I've checked online, couldn't find it, but I figured. As you can see, that's the throttle body right there, just where your intake is. The sensor is going to be right there. Sensor is going to be right there. It's just got a 10mm bolt right there and a clip right here, which you can just push on this and you can pull it right off. So I had the code that says the map sensor, so I took it off. As you can see, um, I think the focus. Alright, as you can see, it's got some oil on it. I guess that's why I was throwing that code. So I'm gonna clean it up and put the new one in. That's the new one. You can see it's clean. Right.